Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Was ChatGPT able to predict the price of XRP, Bitcoin, Cardano for the month of February? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month, we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. February, we seem to be all over the place a little bit, but let's get to the guesses. Since we're already on this screen, let's start with Cardano. If we take a look at Cardano's guesses, the bullish guess was 36 cents, range 34 cents to 38 cents. The official guess was 31 cents, range 29 cents to 33 cents. Or the bearish guess was 26 cents, range 24 cents to 28 cents. Again, we ask it for multiple ranges, but the official guess is the one that actually matters. So where did we end up? If we take a look at CoinMarketCap real quick, right now we are sitting just under 29 cents. Throughout the day, multiple times we broke above the 29-cent range. And if we take a look at the official guess again, the range was between 29 cents and 33 cents. We didn't hit the exact guess, so it's not a 100% win for ChatGPT, but this is definitely a huge improvement over the last couple guesses throughout the last couple months. So I'm going to give ChatGPT a partial win here. Good job, ChatGPT. Let's see how it did with XRP next. All right, so here we have XRP, and here was the guesses. The bullish guess was $2.68, range $2.58 to $2.78. Bearish range $1.21, range $1.15 to $1.27. Official guess was $1.96, range $1.88 to $2.04. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, there's no if and buts about it. It's not been a good month for XRP. If we take a look at the end of the month, because that's what we kind of go based off of, we were just under $1.28. We were just under it. And the price range for the bearish scenario was between $1.15 and $1.27. We were right in that range. So the official guess is wrong. The bullish guess is wrong. So technically, ChatGPT did not get the price correct. However, bear with me. Today, we were right in this range. We were at $1.27. Not only that, it called the low for the month, which just over $1.15, just under $1.16. Like, it landed it. Over the last couple months, ChatGPT has been dog water at guessing crypto prices. This has been a relatively impressive month for it so far. So even though it didn't get the official guess, it landed the bearish guess and the range. It predicted the bottom for the month. So I'm going to give it a partial win, but not an official one. This is like a win from whose line is it anyways, because the points don't matter. That's what type of win this is going to be. But now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Sorry, I'm recording it based off my YouTube video. I accidentally deleted the game from ChatGPT, but that's okay. That's what YouTube videos are for. The bullish guess was around 92,400. The official guess was around 85,100. Bearish guess 78,800. I'm not really going over the ranges this month because, quite frankly, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't. We are nowhere near any of those guesses for the last month. It's been a very, very rough month for Bitcoin as well. So unfortunately, ChatGPT was not able to predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of February. I almost said March. Wow, that's next month. Okay. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I apologize for the very inconsistent month. I had a lot of personal stuff going on. I'm still going to be mostly away for the next week because I am taking vacation. I will be on a cruise, rezenning myself, getting myself back into a good place. Then I'll be back and I'll be posting videos more consistently like I have been over the last couple months. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and take care. Spike your hair. I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.